Let's stir up this Chana Dal Dhaba style, and today we're gonna make it in the Instant Pot. This recipe is so delicious and easy, follow along. What you need for this is 1 finely chopped onion, 1 pureed tomato, 1 cup chana dal pre-soaked for an hour, 1 teaspoon each of salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, crushed ginger, crushed garlic, 4 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 3 red chilies. What you're gonna do first is put your Instant Pot on saute mode and adjust it to the normal setting. Then you're gonna add about 1/4 cup of oil and wait till it's hot. Add your cumin seeds, add your mustard seeds, as well as your black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and the dried red chilies. And you're gonna saute this for about a minute or two just to get the fragrance into the oil. Then you're gonna add your onions. As you can see, I finely chopped the onions because I want them to cook really quick. Just a tip if you want this done quicker. So you're gonna just fry the onions probably for 5 minutes or less until they're translucent. Just continuously stir. You don't want anything stuck to the bottom of the pot. And then what you're gonna do is add your tomato puree. Again, I pureed 1 tomato because I don't wanna see chunks of the tomato in my dal at the end. That's just another tip. If you like to see tomatoes, you can leave them more diced and more whole. Now I'm gonna add all my spices that I mentioned before. So you're gonna add everything except for your garam masala. So that's gonna be your salt, your red chilies, your coriander powder, your turmeric powder, and you're gonna just fry this really well. Now you wanna fry this mixture for probably about 5 minutes or so. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna see the color change. And once the oil separates, so you can just like kind of move it aside with your spoon and you'll see that the oil is separating from the tomatoes, you know that you're ready for the next step. You're gonna drain the water that the dal was soaked in and you're gonna add it to this mixture. And now you're gonna just give it a quick mix. So I had soaked about 1 cup of dal for an hour. You could do longer, but that was just the perfect time for me. And your water to dal ratio is exact. So because I had 1 cup dal, I'm just frying this for probably 5 minutes just so it's really mixed in together. And then you'll see once it's ready, I'm gonna just add 1 cup of water because I do not want the curry to be too liquidy. And if you wanna add liquid later, you could certainly do that. So here you go. Now it's time to add our 1 cup of water. You're gonna just mix this really well. Make sure you get all the sides of the Instant Pot as well so nothing is stuck and everything's blended nicely. So stir, stir, stir. And once everything is together, what we're gonna do is we're going to pressure cook this. So now you're turn your Instant Pot off, put your lid on. You're gonna make sure that your valve is on the sealing position and you're not gonna open it till the red valve at the back drops. Set your Instant Pot on manual or high pressure, and all you need at this point is 5 minutes. So put your pressure for 5 minutes and just let it be. After it just naturally releases pressure for 5 minutes, you can release the rest of the pressure, and this is how the dal looks. It's perfect. I do not want it to be too liquidy, and I'm gonna add my garam masala and some of my julienne ginger. This is optional, I just like the taste of the ginger. On the side, we're gonna make our tarka, which is gonna be a few items that I listed above. 2 chopped green chilies, 4 round dried chilies, half a sliced onion, really thinly, 1-inch piece of ginger julienne, and optional 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch, which just adds a nice red color. You're gonna fry this probably for about 5 minutes until you see everything comes together and you see the oil change its color, and just turn your stove off. Now you're gonna take this mixture and you're gonna just add it to the dal on the Instant Pot. When you're adding this, you could leave your Instant Pot on saute mode just so it's blended well, or you could even stay on off because honestly, it's so hot at this point anyway. Oh, that smells amazing. We're gonna just give it a quick stir and basically it's ready, and you can just kind of put some coriander on top if you wish, and this is how it looks. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Definitely try it out, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions for me and I'll be happy to answer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.